Alright, so assume that 13% of the people are left-handed. If we select 5 people at random, find the probability of each outcome here. So let's see here. A, the first person, the first lefty is the 5th person chosen. Okay, so that means we got 4 people that were not lefty, and then we got a lefty. We can leave that out. You should get 0.0745. Okay. B says there are some lefties among the 5 groups. So that means that there's at least one lefty. At least one lefty. And the probability of at least one lefty is 1 minus the probability of no lefties. If you do that out, you're going to get 0.502. Okay? And then the first lefty is the second or third person. Okay? So probability of second or third person. Okay? So that means we had not a lefty and then a lefty, or we had not 2 lefties and then a lefty. And if you do that out, you'll get 0.211. Second or third, we just add probability of finding a lefty on the second plus probability of finding a lefty on the third. Okay? There are exactly 3 lefties in the group. Okay, so this now goes to the binomial. So we got 5, choose 3. Okay, we got 3 lefties in the group and 2 that are not lefties. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to binom PDF. Okay, and we're going to do 5 and then 0.133. If you do that out, you get 0.0166. And then there are at least 3 lefties in the group. Okay, so we could do this one of 2 ways. At least 3 lefties. Probability of at least 3 lefties. So we could do the probability of 3 lefties, or 4, or 5. So what is this? This is 5, choose 3, 0.13 cubed, 0.87. This is 5, choose 4, 0.13 to the 4th times 0.87. Or all 5 are lefties. And all we got to do there is just 0.13 to the 5th. Okay? So, how we could do that, if we wanted to do that, is we can do binom PDF. And we do 5, that's 3 at a time, plus binom PDF again. And we're going to do 5, comma 0.13, comma 4, plus binom PDF again, and that would be 5, comma 0.13, comma 5. So we added a probability of finding 3, 4, and 5 lefties in a group, and if you do that, you get 0.0179. Or the other way you could do it is, remember, there are 6 outcomes here. Okay, we want to know this right here. So we take this piece right here and we subtract it from 1. And this is binom PDF. Okay, so I did 1 minus binom PDF 5, comma 0.13. Sorry, this is CDF, not PDF. This is CDF. And then I would do up to 2. Okay, and I should get the same thing. So let's see what happens. We do 1 minus binom CDF 5 comma 0.13 comma 2, and we should come out with that exact same thing, and we did 0.0179. So that worked out. Either way is fine. Okay. And then there are no more than 3 lefties in the group. Okay. So that means the probability of 0, 1, 2, or 3. These actually should be ors. I know I put add, and we're going to wind up adding anyways. Now you could do each of these separately if you want. Okay, you could do, let's see, no lefties would be 0.87 to the 5th. And then you would do 5, choose 1. And then you would do 0.13 times 0.87 to the 4th. And then you would do 5, choose 2. And that would be 0.13 squared times 0.87 cubed. And then you would do, let's see, 0, 1, 2, and then 3 lefties would be 5, choose 3, 0.13 cubed, 0.87 squared. And if you do those, you would just do binom PDF of 0, 1, 2, and 3. But the easiest way to do it is just do binom CDF. Binom CDF will sum for you from 0 to 3, and we're going to do 5, comma 0.13, 3. Okay. If we do that out, binom CDF 5, comma 0.13, comma 3, and we get 0.9987. That is correct.